we're still in our pretty dresses. And we're going to go play outside. So let's go. Right now we're going to go play. We've got to be careful if it's wet. We're sorry, we're going to have to play over there. Is it wet? Since it's wet, that's alright. We can go over here. It's wet over here. Let's go. Come on. I'll use this one. Let's eat. I'm a big dog, okay? Wait, there's no good food to eat. What should we do? Ooh, I'm going to make soup. And I'm a big dog, okay? Mama, I'll make some Maggi. I'm making fried rice. My mom, sometimes she makes this for me. If you know what it is, it's called fried rice. I'm making a hamburger. Should I mix it and make it? I'm cooking mine. Kirsten, did you know there's like two rackets? Oh, we are not allowed to show you in here. Because our mum and dad doesn't know that we have secret stuff in here. Yeah. Well, I'll show you some of our stuff, Mum. But not our cups. There's not nothing in there. Ta-da! We got lots of stuff that we're saving for memories, and we have got clay. That's where we keep our clay. There's lots of sand in here because it's dirt. And it's also dirty in these cups. But we're saving them. And this is also... And I also have leaves collections in here. And one time we found it, X marks the spot when we found this. It's a golden chain. Gave this to us. Yeah, Dad. And I think it was an award or something. Okay, we're not allowed to show anything else. Put that back, Kirsten. No, I'm losing it. No, I'm gonna put these back in. I'm gonna try to close it. Yeah. I'm making a hamburger. I'm making a hamburger. I'll show you when it's ready. Wait, I need some lettuce first. It's not on yet. Oh, you have it. I need it. Two corns.
Does it, Kirsten? Does it have? Kirsten, is your burger having a pickles on it? Kirsten?
No.
Why not?
We don't have any pickles. That's some banana. Because this one won't fit, it's too big. Pickle. You just need it. Most of those corn and the cob. Guys, do pineapples hurt when on the spiky bits? I don't know if they hurt. Tell me in the comments if they hurt. I don't know. I actually don't know if these are spiky because we've never eaten a pineapple before. Our family does not like pineapples. I don't like pineapples. Do you like pineapples, Mum?
Yes.
What? I don't. Me too, but this one's just tanned. Are you using that? Yes. I found it up there. Okay, I'm gonna keep on cooking. Oh my God! I need a little spoon. Is that where you cook that? No, I'm putting it in my drink. My drink pad. Wait. I need to move in this one fast. Look, if I use the corn, it makes fried rice. Wait, why don't you let me see? I'm just changing it. No. Okay, I'm not cooking fried rice anymore. I'm going to put it back in there. I need patty, leaves, and some cheese. I'm going to put these on my over here. I don't need it anymore. It's in my drink. Put it on the stove. Can't get it. Let's get a flipper. The spoon's like wait. I can can try use a fork. Oh, I forgot. Look, there's nothing in there. I forgot I didn't make it yet. Maybe I should put it at the end because when I'm cooking it, it might get on the stars. So we'll do that at the end. Gonna put that over here because I need it. And should I get it? Should I taste some of it and see if it's ready? Alright. Just gonna put it. The lettuce is good. Do you like my drink? I'm just gonna put it on this plate. We'll put that in there, over there. And the cheese ready? It's all nice and melted. But I think the beef will cook more. It needs to cook still. I'm gonna fry it. Should I fry the other one? I got sand in mine. I can't carry it. Whoa. Well, why not to put fire? Yes. Should I make something else? Look at this, it's all sand in it. I need to put the sauce. Alright. I need some sauce too. I need some water sauce. Oh yeah. I need to make a fruit salad milkshake. So, and then it will make my sauce. My secret sauce. And what should I need? If you want this, you can. Corn in the blender. Another corn. Guys, this one make it super sweet. I'm making blueberry soup. You like blueberry soup? Do you, Mom?
Yes.
Do you like blueberry soup? Do we need a pan?
Is that your special soup, Kirsten?
It's play soup. We just need this and this. And that's chicken. Super I'm making that for you, Mom. And I forgot I need to blend it. Why am I forgetting everything? Because I'll put on this way. There we go. It's sort of rare. I love cooking. It's just like when we're doing it in Britain. It's like we're doing it in real life. Because we have actually food. Wait, I forgot this the wrong way. See? It's all in here now. We're just going to put this back. Yeah, be careful with the sauce. It might spill. It doesn't have a lid. Should we try to find a lid? So every time... I want clay. The pineapple won't fit. We need something clean. This? Oh, that's a lot. No, it will fall in, but what's this? Oh, no. Did I? I still need to shake it. Need it. Put lots of milk in there. I put milk in water. And then hold it at the top and shake. Now the sauce is ready. And it turns orange. Chicken bones. She loves chicken bones. Guys, I made the fruity stuff. My sister's still cooking, so I guess we're not going to end it yet. I'm just showing you my first food. Look, do you think it would be yummy? It has nice sauce, but I'm not going to tell you what it... Do you know what I put in there? You do know what I put in there? Okay, but you don't know what the sauce is called. It's my special sauce, so I can't tell you, but it's called orangey sauce. And this is mine. And bye-bye. Thanks for watching Scarlett thanks for watching me and Kirsten's video. So, I hope you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.